This is a quote of mine. When I speak in the public and I speak with you and I speak privately, I'm the same. I say the same thing to everybody. Nothing is changing. Here's what I said to NBC News, and they put it in an NBC News business article. Most of the time, investors are best off just staying the course. I think some of the fear factors still lingering, Goldberg said, warning that trying to time the market or trading according to day-to-day news cycles can lead to big losses. We're living on a minute-to-minute basis. It's really the worst way to make decisions. Why is that the worst way to make decisions? I'll tell you why. When the stuff hits the fan and the market's plunging and the futures are down 800 points before you even get to work, before the market even opens, and now you're starting to second guess everything you've ever thought or said, and you've got to move fast. In the meantime, your life is spinning around, your phone's ringing off the hook, you're getting emails, clients are calling, and now at that moment, you're going to make a decision that could affect you for the rest of your life. We as humans are not necessarily the best decision makers, but one thing for sure, we are great at picking the worst time to make a decision. We make decisions when we have to, in times of stress, in times of rapid change, of revolution. That's when we make our decisions, and it's the worst time to make a decision. This is why you need plans, you need contingency plans. This is why you need like your own flow chart of the future. If this happens, I'll do this. If that happens, I'll do that. That's what I'm talking about. And if you're not doing that, it means you're flying by the seat of your pants with your investing decisions.